Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. These are the 1More Aero earbuds. They have spatial audio technology. This is 1More's first pair of earbuds with spatial audio technology. We'll go ahead and open up the case. So you can charge the case with USB-C right here in that plug port right there. We have the earbuds right here. It's the left and right. The charging connectors are on the base. They have a sensor on the earbud to let you know when you've removed one or both from your ears, and it will pause the playback of audio right there. This also has head tracking technology, and this case is also QI wireless capable, so you can set it on a wireless charger and it will charge the case and the earbuds. These last for about 5 hours with the QuietMax Ai Noise Cancellation technology turned on, and it will last about 20 hours with the case. These will last about 7 hours with the QuietMax Ai Noise Cancellation turned off, and 28 hours with the charging case. You get different earbud tips to fit your inner ear. You get the wired cable for charging if you need it, USB-C to USB-A, and a handy little documentation about the earbuds. But what's great about these is it has spatial audio technology. They will be released tomorrow, October 25th. And they also have 3D audio listening experience. If you download the 1More app and convert the settings for spatial audio technology, it has head tracking, noise-free calls with high clarity, 6 mics, with the DNN algorithm, and they've been authentically tuned by 4-time Grammy winner Luca Bignardi. So that's cool. What's great about these over a lot of the other earbuds that you'll find, again, the spatial audio technology, and it can reduce noise up to 42 decibels. That is a lot. So if you're using these on an airplane, huge reduction in noise. So you can get some peace and quiet, or if you want, get your work done and not have to listen to the people next to you talking. So that's pretty cool. These are from 1More, and they'll be available as of tomorrow. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.